Everybody, I thought I would do a flip through of my 2018 classic size Happy Planner. This was the modern, simple one, very neutral. So let's go ahead and get started. There's a lot to uncover. Now I did also switch up some of the dividers and a few of the pages throughout. You can see that with this beautiful silver foil snowflake divider. It was not the one originally included. Now I wanted to try something a little bit different with my monthly page here, so that's why you see all of this stamping with no real purpose. It was just decorative. Now we started the year with a black and white spread, which I love. I need to do this again. I absolutely just think this is amazing. Maybe next week. I haven't done this one obviously in a whole year, you'll see. Now I also love using the big letters too. I just think they're so cool there. And a rainbow week. Oh my gosh, 2 amazing weeks in a row, both Happy Planner based. And the same thing for this third one. This is probably my very favorite color palette if you're not talking about monochromatic or black and white. Like if we're talking about combining a few colors, I love the lavender, the soft green, and the pink together. I think it's so pretty. Now this was just such a fun week. This is a Peter Pan week. You can see on these stickers. I think they're from Plantasia on Etsy. And I also loved this stamping. I'm going to try this again next week maybe, because that's just really, really cute. Okay, maybe not next week because if I use Happy Planner stuff, but super cute. Now we move into February. I just did purely a decorative, fun layout there. I love that. And then also this is a really playful layout. This was from one of those Mambi kits, the scrapbook kits at Hobby Lobby. And then I added obviously a few decorative, actually these were from that kit too, but so you can see here a few functional stickers as well. Now I also really love the bright pink and the yellow, and so I think that starting out, this was sort of my, this little color scheme was the plan for that week. Oh my gosh, I love that too. Fun, fun. So many cute doodlebug stickers. I don't remember what this Ravenclaw Harry Potter one, I don't remember the store, the Etsy shop for this one, but it's really cute. Now I'm always sort of trying to think of new ways to use my monthly layout since I don't really use it. I stamped all of the baseball games to give me an overview. Yes, there's a lot of them. I love this color palette too. I know, how many times am I going to say that? I know. This is from Alma Designs. I just think her florals are absolutely beautiful. Rainbow week, need these at least quarterly because I love me a rainbow week. There's that color palette again, the soft green / aqua with the pink and the lavender. These are stamps from Sweet Stamp Shop. I'm not as fond of this one, so see, I don't love this one, but these are stamps from Paper Smooches, and they are super cute, that's for sure. Now, again, just the best florals in the entire world. They're Happy Planner, and this color palette is just wonderful. And I love doing the washi in the sidebar when I don't have anything to put there, just like this. I think it's just a really fun decorative element that's super simple. This was just for fun, just adding some alphabet stickers. And then I have this divider in here for who knows why. So we're moving into April. I tried using this as my social media planner. I tried that for a couple of months. Oh my gosh. This farmyard spread from Happy Planner was so cute. Or I'm sorry, Doodlebug, not Happy Planner. Another one of those pastel layouts with the lavender, aqua, and pink. This is so pretty. It's a wide mix. These are Chrissy Ann Designs. These are Technique Tuesday, as are these stamps, the flower stamps. So pretty. Simply Gilded Washi. Look at this, Squad Girls. They look so adorable. Oh my gosh, I just love it. We have more of those flowers from Technique Tuesday. I think these stickers are from the Planning Butler. They're really pretty. I sure do love spring layouts. They so are fun. Again, I tried this with social media planning. I don't remember how successful it was or not. Another rainbow week. Goodness, it's adorable with all Happy Planner and Mambi stickers. This was another really fun Doodlebug week. All I did here was just add a few clusters of decor and then go super simple the rest of the time using the stencil and then these little bullet point stickers as well. Trendsetter. Oh my gosh, this sticker book is so pretty. I just absolutely love it. This was a soft, really pretty pastel week. This, I remember, was the inspiration. Sorry, I was trying to think of the word for that. That was the inspiration. There was a travel the rest of this week, so that's why it's a lot more plain than normal. This I was sort of tracking out planning for the month of June. There was a lot of it in baseball. I loved this week. It was so fun. And these stamps from Fun Stamper's Journey were just adorable and perfect here. And I also used their watercolor pencils, and that was really, really a good time. And I loved this color palette. Another really fun week from Doodlebug Designs. Now this one, I remember these were from, I can't think of what this was called. It was a special little happy planner thing. It had stickers and stamps and stuff like that. And this was so pretty, but that was the overall idea. The pink, the red, the black, and then a little bit of green thrown in too. A monochromatic week, which is definitely one of my very most favorites. I wouldn't typically use green, but I loved it here as a monochromatic week. I did another one the following week because I loved it so much, and the yellow is just amazing. I just want to do that again so much. Another really fun decorative week, just again, for nothing other than sheer enjoyment. 4th of July week, so I used these flag stamp, or this one flag stamp from Sweet Stamp Shop, and then these little stars were from Fun Stamper's Journey. This one was from Citrus Twist Kits, and it's adorable. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Now sometimes if I'm going to use two different planner layouts, I will just use these little paper clips and paper clip them together at the top. I could totally adhere them together with adhesive, but I didn't. Now this is sort of a play on that color palette from before, and this was the week that I went to Chile, and I just ended up really, really loving this overall week. I think that the flamingo was sort of the overall plan for the week. So, and I also made notes of different things that I tried in Chile there so that I wouldn't forget. That's so fun. I love it. Now this following week I used the big florals and the leaves, and then a little bit of rose gold as well. I love that one too. This is so fun to look back through my planner and see all the layouts that I loved. Another rainbow week. It was kind of a vacation week. I was out of town, and so it wasn't as crazy as normally things would be with checklists and things like that. A Harry Potter week, and I did like sort of the gold and black. So pretty. Now this was probably one of my favorite layouts now, which seems kind of weird because I've gushed over a lot of them, but it was very, very close to my sort of style, and it just really is very, very pretty. I loved all the florals and lots of color, and just definitely loved it. It was also the week of the fire at my house where we had to evacuate. So as you can see here, we have the mandatory evacuation and all that kind of stuff. It also happened to be my birthday week, so crazy, right? There is that really pretty color palette again, the pink and the lavender and the aqua. I probably used this more this year than I did the rainbow, which is crazy. This was so fun. These stamps, they are from the Ink Road, I think. They are about the office, and that was the overall thing. So I wanted to use gold since Dwight K. Schrute always wears a gold shirt, and then the gray as well with the black and the white. Turned out really cute. Another rainbow week, and I love this because I love all of the square stickers. I just think they're really cute. And this banana washi, my friend in Europe sent this to me, Denmark I think, and oh my gosh, so cute. I love it. I can't even believe we're into September already. All right, so this one was inspired by this scrapbook paper, and I took the paper pad and I made the punches, and so these were sort of the overall plan. Then I added the stamps, the balloons for my son's birthday. And that was how I tied all of this together, was basically from this one scrap of paper. Another week for Doodlebug and Rainbow together. Here was the Happy Planner Boot Camp. That was so much fun. And also, but very simple. You see just stamping and little bullet points other than the decorations. So, so, so cute. Another Squad Girls one. I love this one. These weeks are some of my favorites, which I know, I'm aware that I keep saying that over and over again, but I truly love these weeks, so it reminds me I should probably break out that sticker book again. Now for this week, I tried the Miss Maker layout. I wanted to see if I could use this like for my functional planner, and I absolutely could. The layout is fantastic. I just have chosen to use it this year for my creative planner, but it looks great and it's awesome with the check marks already right there. I did an entire pink week, which was so fun, and then added the day that my son was named Homecoming King. That's awesome. And then there's a little bit of stamping as well, and again, the monochromatic weeks. If I was forced to pick a favorite, which thank goodness no one's going to force me to, it'd be the monochromatic weeks for sure. Another really, really cute Doodlebug week, and I just love the little die cuts. How adorable are they? Squad Girls, love it. Just super adorable. And then added a little bit with like the alphabet stickers and just kept it really, really simple. Halloween, how fun is this? I love it. I love it with the addition of the washi tape and just the cute little decorations. It's a really, really good week. So I did decorate this layout initially, so I added the stickers and then the stamping. And then what happened was I did a lot of shopping over Black Friday, which I don't typically do, so I needed to keep track of all of the orders. But now this one was a really fun week because since Halloween fell on a Wednesday, we had the first half of the week for Halloween and the second half of the week for a very fall theme. So I love the way that turned out. I think it was really, really cute and a great way to split that up. Now I did a bunch of stamping with the Fun Stampers Journey stamps. I love these leaves. They're so pretty, and these colors just worked really, really well. And then it went great with the washi from the Happy Planner and just using a whole bunch of stuff from my Happy Planner stash to go with these colors. This was the Supermom sticker book. I love it. These colors are amazing, and this washi is super cute. Now again, one last rainbow week, and I love it with the Doodlebug alphabet stickers and then a rainbow stamp. Just really playful and fun. Now this week I decided to start decorating for Christmas because why not, right? And I think this is Fat Cat Designs on Etsy, if I'm not mistaken, and it's just really crazy fun. A tiny bit of decoration, nothing too crazy. And this was probably my favorite sticker kit that I bought. This is, I think, Brianna Nicole on Etsy. I just love this. If you look on my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, I have her shop tagged for this. I just thought it was super cute and super fun. And then I was able to add the Simply Gilded washi, just a tiny bit right there. Squad Girls, they look so cute. I love it. And then this one was muted and just soft and really Christmassy, but super fun too. And then look, we are at the last week in 2018. I loved this. This is Bubba Bear Studios on, I think she has her own website. And then Simply Gilded washi. It's so pretty with the black and white stripes and the gold, and just everything is all together, and I love it. It looks so good. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching how I decorated my entire year of 2018. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will do my best to help you out. I can't remember all of the sources for all of the things, but if I can, I will do my best to help you. Thanks so much. Make it a great day.